How to browse the full McDonald's menu on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open McDonald's on your device. Here, click on Our Menu at the top. After you click on Our Menu, simply scroll down and click on View Full Menu. After you click on View Full Menu on the left side, you'll find all the topics. Simply click on the one you prefer and you'll find all the variations of it. And in this way, you can simply view all the menu of the McDonald's. It includes from food to drinks to sauces as well. And this is how to browse the full McDonald's menu on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.